MeghalayaPost.news.
Skulbah USM hagasin balai snam kinthi kalayo yang halat bandrung biang hapadeng ki arspa atli Skulbah ki babhatam jangkari India hagajing penbana ke bakhanda jangka National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF arajar alpsau kebala penbana hanin kasi de menteri ketanap puli puthi ke sekapadeng u dharmentra pradhan ka USM ka detang maka ke Skulbah shimet hagathan chatai lamingi kebala yo ya kani ke kerdan hagasin ke balai Bat kani ke jingbo kerdan belapan mi malau snem ke bishar babu kerdan ya ki jaka puli bakhampau syakmat hari India kat kam kikindon baper baguntup nado ke jingkai bat kilat jingerap ke jingwat benya bat ke jingtrekam batibit bat ke bai
Necessary. I give this respect only. But we have to see our future. Are you satisfied that we must be among 200, we must be among 100? What among 50? 50 or 100? It is possible. It is possible where there is a will, there is a way. How is our fidelity must be punctual? Not punctual, super punctual. If this class starts at 9, we have to reach at 8. Okay? And students will be coming after 9. Then students must be at 7. Okay? And library must be occupied. The complaint must reach the chancellor at the end of this case. Then you will enjoy university will be better than you. You will find among 20 universities, there are 5-6 private universities. Oxford is private, MIT is private or government? Cambridge, these are all private universities. We can make it. We can make it here. We are just like Bollywood forever. But this institution will remain. This plant will remain. This plant will produce fruits. So, students who are learning for 2 years, they are learning for 2 years. One thing that you have to make your career shiny. Another thing, what will be making shiny, when so many candidates will be shiny, you will find that entire hall shiny. So, once students are shiny, this university will go on. So we want to say that we from the government and we are regular. And all these things are happening because of a small team of members. They are from humble background and they are working with a less salary. Many Indian people are not getting lots of information from other private universities and they are not doing it. Because they have information, they have nurtured this daily. From last 10 years, they have seen how we have started. It was a very land. There was no plants. But how many plants? I say many officers. After 3 years, if you want to find plants, big trees, flowers, you have to come to USA only. This front area, people used to come every Sunday. People take booking of our temples for shooting. So starting from Skulbah and all other people are coming for shooting here. This is the campus. This is the people's university. And we have a government. If you go on the other side, you will find half of people there. And I went in Hyderabad. From Hyderabad I entered another 1 hour by flight. I bought Rajaramani via all the way we have spent 1.69 crores for purchasing plants of this campus. Oil is the person who can spend 5,000 rupees for plantation. This is your money. Take to the place that we could not give salary for the members. But on the other side, we are spending money for the plantation. Any kind of mistake, इधर है आयरन का स्टैंड है, रस्सी हम काट देंगे, आप इधर आकर के स्टैंड में करा, ठीक है सर? I am not interested in what you if I am doing anything, any wrong, that I am only committing for my students and family. So this is the future of the university will grow and grow and grow. I am very grateful. Every single person in the state of Meghalaya found small amount to have a desire to achieve this. Everyone is supporting this university. Everyone is supporting this university. And that's why this university is growing. The faculty members who are working relentlessly, we want to get them in the first assessment cycle. Wherever the private university and institutional government university got the first cycle got the again. This is the university after 5 years from the date of commencement we got the again. And we are bringing for air mass pass in 2026. We will get it air mass pass in 2026. We will get it. And with the commitment, lots of things in our plan. But it is your money students you are paying. More than 1,000 students are getting free or concessional admission they are getting. But still, it is so powerful, your money is so powerful that you have built this campus. I am telling you, nobody will know that you are going to give 5 lakhs rupees loan to this institution. I have visited from one bank to another. But last year, even we have not completed 1 year, State Bank of India came to our office and they said that how much you need. I said I need 79 crores. My chartered accountant said that no, it is not possible to come out with a institution we need 150 crores. I was very much upset that how we will return this money. This bank, without any collateral, State Bank of India, you know, State Bank of India is a non-financial institution at the top. They have, without any collateral, State Bank of India has 150 crores loan for our upcoming maintenance. Then, next year, state access there. This is one of the blunder I made in my life because I was depending on the student fee. If I had done any mistake that I will give loan because this is budget of this size, if student money is not enough, so I need that how this money should be returned and how we can survive, how we can be a decent salary for faculty members. I have especially invited our housekeeping staff who are sitting here. जो लोग सुबह से शाम तक काम करते हैं, and this way I will give the recognition that we is one of the greatest centers. The people who are working in the center. I have seen some of the housekeeping staff, they carry a separate bag. When they are moving in the road, campus road, they carry a separate bag. Why you know? Why you know? They use their dustbin. They use this campus because I used to spend my time there. And some of the housekeeping staff are so motivated. They got my idea. They understand के साथ cleanliness को बहुत पसंद करते हैं. And they carry a small leaf, dry leaf, which is falling down every time. I have seen in front of the window. They carry it and put in their bag. This is the way this university is coming. You have seen, I am aware of all politics. I am looking at a religious man, but I am very much aware from the all religious things. Only I see student face. That We don't know we are waiting for our approval. But the parents, they say that our student got selection for MBBS. But if this decision comes, we want to put our children here in the medical college. And if we need money, we will give all 5 years school facilities, 2 years education, 3 will come up with education. This is where people laughs. It is simple flower and affection. Every children's parents is not that they are playing games. It is always giving attention to this institutional role. They are the partner. I cannot mention the name of many parents who can speak it. Do you have financial problem? They face their fees. They give credit to us. And this year this institution is growing. No bank has given loan. We never received donation. We never received any help.
MeghalayaPost.news.